Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Grooming Show. It's me, the Grooming Expert, and today we are going to do a fade on one of my clients who is actually a famous music producer. He's worked with huge artists all around the world, and today we're going to do a number one fade all around, a light trim on top with some added enhancements. So we are doing a number one mid fade. We have that number one guard on our clipper lever all the way closed, and we are taking that first line all the way around, even across the head. Starting off on our left side first, we have our 1.5 guard on our clipper lever all the way open, going up about a ½ inch, and we're going to slowly close that lever and work our way down back into the number one. And now we have our number one guard on our clipper lever all the way open. We're going to be using the corner, and we're going to blend that into the 1.5 that we just did. Now jumping to our number two guard, we got to throw that on our clipper lever all the way open, going up about a ½ inch. And as you can see, I'm kind of scooping out the closer I get to the top, so that way we don't have a round shape, we have more of a square shape at the top. With every guard that we put on, we're going to be adjusting that lever in between the last guard that we did to make sure it blends in nice and smooth. Next, we have our 1.5 guard on our clipper lever open, and we're going to gradually close it just a little bit using just the corner to blend into that number two. So with his hair, you want to be careful when going closer to the top. So we just kind of lightly scoop out with our guard. But we have our number 4 guard on our clipper lever all the way closed, and we are kind of just removing bulk and weight that's coming out near the top. After our number 4, we're going to jump down to our number 3 to blend that into our number 2. Make sure to play around with that lever. Use it with your best judgment. Last part of this fade, we're going to just take some thinning shears and lightly get any weight that's been sticking out that's hard to reach with our clipper. Don't forget to take a step back and look at the fade. Also look at it in the mirror, and then use your best judgment and do any detail work at the end. Please repeat all the exact same steps around the entire fade for this one. We're just going to remember go up a guard every time and use the lever open and gradually close it in between each guard. And you're going to be utilizing the corner of your clipper mostly to make sure that line blends in nice and smooth. Like I said, all the exact same steps all around the head. Last part of this fade before we start to line everything up, we're going to go ahead and taper the neck out. So we balled out the bottom with our trimmer first, and then we go ahead and grab our clipper. We open the lever up about halfway and we go up just about a 1/4 inch, and then we gradually close that down to a 0. Next, we throw our half guard on our clipper. We go up another 1/4 inch and we just blend that into the number 1 that we originally started with. My client doesn't like cutting too much off the tops, but he does want a super light trim on top, so we're going to go ahead and do that today. Start by getting the hair wet, and then we're going to go ahead and pull everything straight out. Follow the natural line when lining up, and when you're around those arches, you want to start from one side then the other and bring them both lines together. My client does request added enhancements, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in any light areas on the top of his head to make sure everything looks a little bit more full and more natural looking. So we first added some hair color and then some added hair fibers just to give it that more natural effect. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I truly appreciate you watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.